How to deploy your web application. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to take your code from a local development environment and make it live on the internet for the world to see. So you have a fully functional web application and it is ready for use. But how to make it usable for everyone in this world? This is where deployment comes into play. Deployment is the final step for your application to overcome. Web deployment is done to enable our application for use to the whole world using internet. Once you have done your deployment, anyone can access your website from any corner of the world. There are many sites providing service of web deployment. But today we will be using one of the site which is free enough to deploy our application. Once you are okay with it, then you can even try their paid services too. Today we will be using Netlify to deploy our web application. We're going to deploy our React app using Netlify. Netlify is a web development platform that allows developers to build, deploy, and manage web projects. It provides a variety of features such as continuous deployment, serverless functions, and a global content delivery network to make it easy for developers to create and manage modern web applications. Additionally, Netlify also provides hosting and domain services. I have already made a web app using React. It is a simple to-do app. Now, let me show you a demo of it. So this is my app, a simple to-do app. You can add your tasks by typing and just clicking this Add Task button. Once you have added the task, you can even check it or delete if not needed. So now let's deploy this app to Netlify. First, you should bundle this app into a folder. For that, you should simply type in the terminal npm run build. This will make your app into a bundle and save it in build folder. It takes some time to finish this process. Meanwhile, we will open our browser and search for Netlify. Click on the first link. If you have an account in Netlify, just log in using that account. But if you don't have one, you can simply sign up at free of cost. I am already logged in. So this is your dashboard. You will see all your sites here. Now, click on Add New Site. You can even upload your files from GitHub. But for now we will be doing it by manual method. Click on Deploy Manually. Click on Browse. Once your build folder is ready, you can select that folder and click on Upload. It takes some time to deploy your app. After the deployment, you will be getting a link of your website. This is the link of your website. Anyone can use your website with this link. This is our app fully deployed on Netlify. You can even change the site name if you don't like it. Our app works the same way like before without any errors. If you want your own domain, you should use their paid services. But for a normal web app, it is good to go with free options. If you want to delete this site, you can do it by clicking on Delete this site. So there you have it, those are the steps to be followed to deploy your web application. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on Python and Unity. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next video.